What's up, boys? It's your boy, Boston's Boss 80 here. Doing some WWE 2K15. And doing a rivalry match.
Making his way to the ring from Cincinnati, Ohio.
And it's Dean Ambrose.
Amazingly, Dean Ambrose is almost as dangerous on his own as he is with the Shield by his side. And that's a scary thought, Cole. True, but
Versus, you guess. I haven't changed the entrances yet. I might. Seth Rollins.
And approaching the ring from Davenport, Iowa.
I bet you guys don't want to see it. Let's get to the match, shall we? I give myself no finishers. I'm Dean Ambrose.
You're never safe with Dean Ambrose around. He can strike from anywhere.
Because Seth Rollins has the authority. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just check out my
I can't believe Dean Ambrose got out of that one. And there's the reversal.
Dean Ambrose.
Big reversal.
There he is, Ambrose. Clothesline to the back of the head. Another clothesline. Ambrose.
Unusual as Dean Ambrose.
Dean Ambrose going for a suplex.
But in that ring, he is focused on destroying his opponent and making sure that
Ambrose going up top.
remembers the
Elbow.
beating that they're receiving and his
Ambrose
hands.
going up top
Dean
again.
Ambrose is scaling the ropes.
And he misses. Eat the canvas, says Seth Rollins or Jerry Cole or whatever it is.
Trying to build momentum.
Sorry guys if I sound a little bit
what is Dean Ambrose
rusty.
going to do? That's why
I
it's
made a
called
video on
Iron Wrist,
that.
ladies and gentlemen.
Oh!
He didn't need a GPS to find the mark. He wasted no time, and he gets the shoulder up. What a great match we have here on Friday Night SmackDown.
Yeah, I put it on SmackDown.
Oh, geez, lights out. I think the statement holds true. Ambrose is an enigma to the fans and WWE roster of superstars. No one has any idea what Dean Ambrose is going to do until it happens.
He's true.
Look out! Right on the money. I mean, there is
Do it
nothing
again.
like seeing somebody go flying through the air. He's still not through.
Ambrose has a signature. Put a signature on. Put a signature on. Come on.
After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future.
How do I do my signature? I don't. Oh wait, no. You go like this.
Oh my! Look at this!
I get Seth Rollins to tap. I can get Seth Rollins to tap. I can get Seth Rollins to tap.
With a very effective
No, I can't.
submission hold.
Okay, break it.
Just a dominating display.
Finisher.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
Plants him.
Dean Ambrose.
Plants Seth Rollins.
This could be
1, 2,
two.
3.
Seth Rollins just inches
Oh,
out of that
so
one.
close.
The damage has definitely been
So
done.
close.
Now it may just be a matter of time.
So close, guys. Ambrose did plant Seth. He planted Seth Rollins and everything. Think I need to put him through the announce table? Ring escape.
Whoa! Watch out! The announce table is getting torn down.
On the top of the table. Oh.
Oh, I bet he'll
No,
second guess
no.
doing that again.
Oh man, I got put through the table. Aw, that's not fair. It's not fair. You stink. You stink.
And this is going to return to the ring. Back into the ring now. Dean Ambrose is not someone to sleep on.
Just clothesline. Oh, let's do the elbow to the heart with the pin. Let's try
Going
that.
to the top, high wrist.
Let's try that.
Heads up. No, my God, bodies are up. There's the cover.
1,
Can he
2,
do it?
3. Oh, what? Referee's hand was down. Come on.
That's how you hurt an opponent. Whoa, whoa. He's going for the pin.
1,
This could
2,
be it.
3. Oh, what? Come on. Not again.
Look out. And he's toast. Oh, look at the emotion.
Oh, Seth Rollins with a neck breaker. Seth Rollins. What the heck? Reef. Reef.
What's he
Reef.
gonna do here? Seth Rollins making a move. Oh,
Hate you, Seth.
you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellation. Oh, rips first off the wall.
Somebody.
Chair being wedged into the ropes. Evil intentions here.
Wedge.
Oh, tell me he's gonna try this.
Pin.
He may
1,
get a 3 count
2.
from here.
Aw, 2.5. Oh, just 2, I guess. Seth Rollins is his finisher, too.
Rollins gets steamrolled. Yeah, when Rollins finally realizes where he is, he's going to be one upset customer. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
Aw, no. The
Seth
backbreaker
Rollins
is
runs
a
away out.
backbreaker.
Watch out. Incoming.
Dang it. I tried to reverse that.
Shoulders down.
One kick out. Easy kick out, I guess.
Talk
Boom!
about catching
I
a
don't
beating.
know, today's Saturday. I don't know why I just included that.
Whoa.
That's just
Great move off the... His shoulders are down. 2.
Oh. Look at my signature. Get him
Look
out.
at this.
Seth Rollins.
He's done 1.
Oh, what a kick out. That was luck.
He's in a world of trouble. Much more of this, and I doubt he'll be able to continue.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no! Oh!
Submit. Submit.
Dean
Submit.
Ambrose has his eyes on his target, folks.
Get him to submit. Let's 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 get him to submit. No. Okay. I'm pressing buttons.
And he breaks the hold. I guess he wants to try something else. I don't know what more you'd want to
Ambrose.
do.
Boom.
Ambrose has this
Right in the middle of the ring. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Ambrose wins by way of pinfall. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
And everything